I've been working with Monica Alberti, who I think has been one of the main pioneers of restorative practice in schools in Barcelona and now more widely in Catalonia. And it's been a real treat to work with her. She has inspired so many people. I'm delighted that she has found my model of practice so useful. I know she also brings in some other ideas. She's been working with Vicence Rouland from Mallorca, and they have also done fantastic work together. And so over the last 3 weeks, we've been meeting educationalists, teachers from schools. We've been working with people who go into school, sort of supporting vulnerable children. We've been working with psychologists. We've been working with some of the administrators from some of these schemes, and everybody has been so enthusiastic and so keen to take the ideas back into schools. We've been doing some work with head teachers who have in their schools these emotional assistants. I'm not quite sure what to say in English. And I hope we've been building some connections, more connections between them, but also between the schools, because it's restorative practice is all about connection. It's all about sharing. It's all about listening to each other and supporting each other. So I'm really hopeful that these 3 weeks will have increased the motivation of people who were already motivated to make differences. And what's amazing about working here is that the Department of Education is supporting this project, and as far as I understand it, wanting this approach in all schools in Catalonia. That is incredible. We don't have that kind of support from our government. Sadly, at the moment, our government has different ideas about how to manage behaviour in schools. But to see it, I'm very interested to see what will happen here with that support from the top, as well as this grassroots enthusiasm from teachers who are using it in their classrooms and saying, look, this works. This is transforming our lives, but more importantly, transforming the lives of the children in our schools. So it's been a very exciting 3 weeks, and fingers crossed it's going to make a big difference.